Welcome to our first ever tutorial in our video series. It's been a busy year so far in the garden.
We've created 13 experimental beds to compare several till and no-till methods. We've weighed and measured all the produce and have seen outstanding growth in some, disappointing growth in others. We've expanding our cover crop palette to include perennial alfalfa in an effort to grow more of our own fertility, and much more. All the while we've seen the results from these efforts mirror and illustrate the concepts from the book I'm still finishing. And we can't wait to show you all of it.
In today's video we want to start with something simple, however. How to snap off your garlic scapes. Let's get going.
Okay, so I wanted to show you our garlic. Come look. They're starting to produce scapes. And if I let these grow, they'll put some energy up into here instead of down into the bulb. And all you do is break them off. That easy. Just grab them and break them off. And I've been running out of garlic this time of year. These are going to be great in a stir fry, maybe even in some eggs. I know you might not put garlic in eggs, but I do. And I'll just, any of those that are coming up, I will break them off, but I will not step in the bed to do it. So I might have to walk around. No!
Here it's time to take care of some other scapes. So again, on hardneck garlic, you'll have this hard center stalk that grows up, and it will have little bulblets in here, and it will put energy up into the bulblets, and you want putting that energy into the bulb, and so you just take and snap these off. On soft neck garlic you won't have this, but hard neck garlic, that is the hard neck. This is the hard neck that grows up. You just, between your index finger and your middle finger, just push your thumb in between until it snaps, and that's it. Scape time. That's it for this episode on garlic scapes. As you can tell, we have a lot more coming. Remember, it's all one big experiment. Just stay open to growing.